Okay, folks, so I put the tips on, and you can see how that's plumb. It wasn't too terrible, although I'm not crazy about those clamps, so I might change those and get some better ones. I still haven't started this yet. I have to check it for leaks. I just reattached the battery. So yeah, I know it's got that front sag. Maybe we'll level it, maybe we won't. It doesn't really matter. Here's the old exhaust. I did have to cut it in two spots. There, and that's ugly, I know, but hey, whatever. The head pipe, and then we had to cut it again right here. But I tried to cut it where I could leave some length in case I had to sleeve it later to put it back on, but hopefully we won't. So, see what she sounds like. Oh my. All right. Let's see if this will work. Give it some gas. All right, well, definitely sounds different. It's not bad at all, I don't think. So I didn't hear any exhaust farting out there. I will, I'll run it a little bit and then check it again. I actually have to go get gas, so probably go get gas, let the system heat up, and then get under there later and see if anything loosened up or got weird. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is a 2018 Silverado, and in case you're wondering, this is the part number for it, 5658. This is the extreme coming out the sides, angled behind the tires. You can change these right here and have them come straight out the back. Yeah, it's not bad. So that's it, and these are the only tools you'll need. Let's see. I have to put my spare back. Comes with these instructions, which aren't great. They're not terrible either. 1/2 inch, 9/16, 15 mil wrenches and sockets. That's a plus if you want to get those rubber hangers off. I didn't want it, but yeah, use the Sawzall instead, and of course jack stands. So it says it takes about an hour and a half. Yeah, about that. So there you go. Any questions about this? I know I didn't get into step by step. That's because I really didn't have time. I was trying to beat the construction crew out here. They're getting ready to tear up my street down there. Any questions, comments, anything like that, go ahead and leave them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up and subscriptions are always awesome. Thanks for watching.